Hi children, I'm your social mom speaking. Before we start our today's session, we are going to have a quick recap. Yes, what is our first topic? Types of families. Types of families. Yes. How many types of families are there? Three types of families. What are they? Joint family, nuclear family, single parent family. Yes. What is our next topic? Families with working parents. Children, why do parents work? To fulfill their family needs. Yes, to fulfill their family's needs. Parents may be working or stay at home. They are always busy to their work. Yes, if you are helping your parents means they can complete their work quickly and they can spend more time with you. Yes. Today our topic is changes within the family. What is today our topic? Changes within the family. We are going to know about changes within the family and changes around us. Here we have a pep activity. Let us see now. See children, imagine your uncle has sent you this message. Just you have to imagine yourself this message is sent by your uncle. What is the message? Hi, hope you are well. We are planning to visit your family for a couple of weeks this summer vacation. I will send you the details soon. So what is the message? Your uncle family so going to visit to your house in summer vacation. Yes, based on this message they given here few questions. What is the first question? Would this visit bring about some changes at home? Yes or no? See children, maybe before that, maybe you live in nuclear family or joint family or single parent family. Any relatives comes to your house means we have to changes. We have to do some other changes. Yes, we will do. What you have to do here? Yes. If yes, what could change in your house when guests visit? What are the changes we are going to do? Arrangements for guests to sleep and more foods need to be cooked. Yes, if any guests come to your house means we have to do some other changes in our house. See the third question, how would you feel about these changes? Underline one option. This is your wish. How would you feel? Your any relatives comes to your house means how would you feel? Option A, excited. B, angry. C, sad. D, annoyed. You can underline any one. That is your wish. Yes children, if any relatives comes to our house means we have to do some other changes. The next one, the word change can refer to anything being different from what it once was. Yes, before a relative come to your house, we didn't do any changes. It's a normal life. If any relatives come to your house means we would change something, preparing food, spending time with them. We will do some other changes. For example, having guests at home would bring about some changes to our daily routine. Yes, in fact, there are several events that can bring about changes in our homes. Maybe family functions and festivals. We will do some other changes. These changes can be big or small. Yes, the changes can be big or small. See, related on these changes, here they given an activity. Look deep. What is this? Look deep. Read the situation under each image. How would you feel if you were in that situation? Fill in your responses in the table. So what they given? Just you have to imagine you are in that situation. Here they given some other changes. In the changes, how is it happened for you? Is it happened for you? Yes means you have to write yes. No means you have to write no. And how would you feel? Here I given smileys, happy or sad. Otherwise, you can write in words also. Are you ready to see now? What is the first one? Event leading to the change. Here they given few changes. Has this change happened to you? Has this change happened to you? Yes or no? Any one you have to write. How would you feel when if this happened to you? Use words or smileys to describe. If it is happened to you, otherwise if it is not happened to you, how would you feel? You can draw the smileys and you can write in words. What is the first change? Trying a new dish for breakfast. Is it happened for you? Is it happened means you have to write yes. Is it not happened means you have to write no. Based on your response, you have to describe happy or sad, or you can write in words. Yes. Second one, getting a new haircut that is very different from your old one. Is it happened for you? Yes ma'am, it is happened for me. That means you have to write yes. No ma'am, this is not happened for me. What you have to write? No. Is it happened for you means yes means how would you felt? How would you feel that time? You have to describe here. You have to describe here. You can write in words. Otherwise, draw the smileys. Happy or sad. Sometimes you felt angry. That also you can draw here. This is yours. Just I given happy and sad smiley. What is the next one? Shifting to a new school. Is it happened for you means what you have to write? Yes. It is not happened for you means no. And you have to describe your feelings. What is the next one? Moving to a new house. Is it happened means yes. It is not happened means no. After that, you have to describe your feelings. This is your wish. Okay. What is the next one? I hope you everyone understood this activity. Shall we move to the next one? Are you ready, children? Changes affect our lives in different ways. Some changes, such as a new pet at home or the purchase of a new product, make us happy. Some changes, such as shifting schools, can make us sad. Some changes can even make us angry. Yes, changes around us. Some changes affect our lives in different ways: happy, sad, angry. For example, a bad haircut. However, changes are an important part of our lives. Yes, changes are an important part of our lives. Some changes may good or bad, but we have to accept the changes. We have to accept and face the changes. Yes, children, I hope you everyone understood. Shall we move to the next one? Are you ready? Changes around us. What is the next topic? Changes around us. Many changes happens around us. Here I given few changes. What is the first one? Seasonal changes. Our changes depends upon the seasons. For example, in winter season we wear woolen clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. Yes, day and night also changes around us. A child grows into an adult. A seed develops into a tree. Yes, these all changes around us. But whether the changes good or bad, we have to accept. Yes, we have to accept and we have to understand the changes. See, here they given an activity. What is that? Think and ink. What is that? Think and ink. Match each change to a likely effect. What is the first one? Marriage in the family. What is the answer? Get to spend time with a new member in the family. Yes. So marriage in the family. Get to spend time with a new member in the family. New pet in the house. New pet have more responsibilities. Yes, new pet have more responsibilities. New job for a parent. May move to a new place. New job. May move to a new place. Someone is sick. Need to be more caring and helpful. Need to be more caring and helpful. Starting music lessons. A chance to participate in competitions. Starting music lessons. A chance to participate in competitions. I hope you children, everyone understood this activity. What is the next one? Concept map. What is the next one? Concept map. Working parents or stay-at-home parents can have families. Yes, here types of families. Here changes within a family. What are the types? 3 types. How many types are there? 3 types of the families. Joint family, nuclear family, single parent family. What is that? Joint family, nuclear family, single parent family. Changes within a family. New members in the family, new pets, new job for parents, new home. These all changes within a family. Next one, glossary. Children, what do you mean by joint family? An extended family consisting of grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, parents, and siblings. Yes, they all living together in the same house. That is called joint family. Nuclear family. A family consisting of a father, mother, and children or child. Single parent family. A family consisting of one parent, either the father or the mother, and children or child. Question time. Filling the blanks. What is the first question? A nuclear family consists of a father, mother, and children or child. A single parent family is also called a one parent family. What is the answer? One parent family. A single parent family is also called a one parent family. Write whether the following are true or false. All families have both parents working. Is it right? All families have both parents working? No. So what is the answer? False. What is the answer? False. The birth of a sibling can bring about changes in a family. Yes. The birth of a sibling can bring about changes in a family. Yes. True. A nuclear family consists of grandparents and cousins. Is it right? No. What is the answer? False. What is the answer? False. I hope you children, everyone understood the question time. Now we are going to know some new words. Are you ready to repeat with me? What is the first one? Changes. Changes. Experience. Experience. Guest. Guest. Situation. Situation. Table. Table. Haircut. Haircut. Visit. Visit. Purchase. Purchase. Product. Product. Affect. Affect. Vacation. Vacation. Plan. Plan. Detail. Detail. Angry. Angry. Sad. Sad. Excited. Excited. Changes. Experience. Guest. Situation. Table. Haircut. Visit. Purchase. Product. Affect. Vacation. Plan. Detail. Angry. Sad. Excited. I hope you children, everyone enjoyed this section. Thank you.